So I went to Glasgow. I have to say, one of the greatest cities I've ever been to because people are just so friendly and lovely. I did take my film and my digital cameras. So first up was the Kodak Gold 200. Here I am loading this into my Praktica. I love this camera for street photography. It's very lightweight. I don't really mind if I drop it because I have multiple ones. Not that I would drop it. But yeah, this is my first time shooting this film camera for quite a while because I've just had it serviced. So here we go. So I then ventured up to the Necropolis, which is a beautiful site. And I'll show you the pictures from that before we headed into the city itself. So these are all shot on the Kodak Gold 200, and these were shot on my Praktica LTL3 on the Carl Zeiss 50 2.8, mostly shot 2.8. Admittedly, it's very overcast, as you can see. Beautiful. I love the color rendering of this film. The next images are actually shot on my Velvet 56. I really love how this has some movement to the edges. I did do this with my own preset that I kind of call Grey Tone Street. I am still perfecting this as a preset, but I do love it. I love the movement in these images, almost filmic quality. This is a 56mm lens, so it can be great for portraits. It's a bit tight for landscapes, if I'm being honest, but I still love it, and I went on to use this pretty much the whole time I was there. I also use cinestill black and white bwxx. I'm not quite sure how you say it. This is not the first time I've used this film, and I absolutely love it for a black and white. I think it's just beautiful for street photography, and I think you'll see with the images just how beautiful it is. I hope you'll think they're beautiful because I really love it. So yeah, straight into Glasgow City. I didn't take any more colour film. I did use my Velvet 56 and this one. Just to show you the conditions, raining, overcast, but just so much vibrancy and so much to do. I loved it, and I can't wait to show you the images. So this is the black and white ones. I think they're beautiful. That's our friend actually in the cafe. I really like that. I love this accidental double exposure because this is what I was originally taking with, so you can see the exposure. I just loved just walking around Glasgow, seeing all these pockets of light and photographing so many different things. That was actually a window. And that's another window, but right up it's a stained glass in the Goma. I tried to do unusual framing. I got the classic shot. Everyone knows about him. It was so hazy and rainy, but I love it for portraits. Look at this. It's got such a beautiful, rich tone to it. I thought it was superb. And although I was only with my 50mm, it was great. So then we switched over to the Velvet 56 and I went into full street photography mode. Like, it's a bit easier than with digital than it is with film, as I know, but I tried to shoot it in the same way I would if I had a film camera. And what helps with the Velvet 56, the Velvet 56 is actually manual focus. So it slowed me down, and I tried not to overshoot. You know, like sometimes I feel in digital, you shoot loads because you know you can delete them. It doesn't really matter. But I tried to adopt a film photographer's mentality. That's my favorite image, by the way. Film mentality over these images to try and take my time and compose and pose them better. Let me know what you think. I can't wait to share more of my work with you.